Hey guys, yes, tripod not being tall enough. Yeah, awkward angle. Anyway, this is kind of gonna work in a second. So, one sec. That wasn't cool enough. Let me make the angle better. One sec. That's better. That's cooler, right? Ignore the mess in the background. But I wanted to unbox this beauty right here. So guys, I finally given into the hype and I bought a ring light. Amazon was kind enough to give me $10 off of my purchase. So I felt comfortable going ahead and making this investment. And I hadn't made it for a long time because I'm like, I'm not spending that kind of money on a ring light. So this, I have to look at the exact price, but I'm pretty sure I got it for like $90. There's a box inside of this big box. Okay. Great. So you guys know I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, woo! Gonna have to read these instructions to see if I can figure out how to put this thing together. Okay. And in advance, excuse my makeup, it's not fresh because I just got done a show of Revelation the Musical. And this has been sitting here for 4 days and I said, you know what? Tonight, she gets opened. So, oh wonderful, another box inside of a box. Oh no, these are little boxes. Or this is a little box. And then there's this. Oh, this is actually heavy. Okay, I don't know what I'm gonna do with those boxes. But oh nice, it comes with this really neat carrying case, which I think is like so dope. I love carrying cases for lighting because if I need lighting, hello. All right, there's a box here. Okay, I'll be really careful, I don't wanna break it. Oh, look at her. Look at her. Yes, ring light. My husband's gonna be like, where are you putting this? There's a lot of stuff in here. There's a lot of stuff. So there are instructions. There is a packing list of everything that's supposed to be in here. I have something important, number 1. These are something important, number 2 and 3. These are for to go over the light, I'm assuming. And then this is a remote. Oh, it says it's a Bluetooth remote shutter for iOS and Android. So maybe it connects to my phone somehow or something. And then these are the cords. So I see so far these 3. I'm assuming that like some of them, like it looks like these might connect. I don't know, we'll figure it out in a second. This is most likely the stand if I had to guess, because she's got to sit on something. So yes, this is the stand. And so it came in 3 parts. We have this, and then we also have these 2. This is not in English. I need the English instructions or I will never be able to put it together. This is definitely, I don't even know what language that is. Okay, this is in Spanish. All right. Did you guys know I used to be a Spanish major in college? Yeah, but I still need English though. Okay, so here we are, English instructions. It says install the light stand. So I'm gonna go and like read this a little bit and then I'll come back and then hopefully I figured it out. You know what I mean? So it's telling me to start with this. It says hold the middle pole of the light stand with one hand and draw out the stand legs with the other hand. So that seems like reasonable. Okay, cool. Oh, like all the way out? Oh Lord. Okay, so it goes like that. Okay, did you guys see that? Amazing. Stand evenly. So loosen the screw on the middle pole and extend the light stand to the height. Okay, so I know that if I twist, great, guys can't see this little thing. When you twist it, it makes it possible for it to go up and down. For right now, I'm gonna keep it at about this height because I don't need it to be real height just yet. So cool, there's that. Okay, it says loosen the screw at the end of the soft tube and attach it to the top of the light stand and screw again. Okay, so it says to put this on there like this. Oh God, okay. This is wrong. Okay, loosen screw. I can read the instructions. Oh yeah, because it's got to fit. Haha. That's not right. That took me a second to figure out. You have to really make sure you unscrew it all the way so that you can actually, so that it fits down on top of here like so. Why does that look crooked? Oh, because she can go back. Why did I not realize they're going in order? Like they have like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like steps. I didn't realize that until just now. Installation of the color filter. So I'm gonna put you here for a second. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the color filter, which are these orange things here. Yeah, super far away from you guys now. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, get closer, what's up? Get closer, oh get closer to my body now. Just let me till you don't know how. You won't. No, okay, so yeah, I feel like this one goes here for sure because it's shaped. Yay. Oh guys, this is like not hard. So I put 2 on. Oh, yes, I put 2 on so far, and like literally it just snaps on. So look, you take it and you go like this, and you snap it on, and then, okay, this one isn't moving as easy as the last one, but like you can slide it over just so that it's like close. Okay, I can not be dramatic and just, so look, you want to snap it so that it lays right, because it's like some grooves and you want them to lay properly on top of each other. So then there's one. If you don't get it right away, don't be discouraged. You can. You just have to like play with it a little bit. From what I can see, it's on pretty good. Okay. This installation of a mirror. I don't see a mirror. What? Okay guys, so I am pretty sure that the mirror part they're talking about did not come with my ring light. So yeah, maybe this is just like options, like if you want to, you know, because it didn't come with that. Now I need to get this thing on top, and no one's telling me how to do that. So we have this stand, and then on this stand we gotta put this, no. No, I don't think that's right. Now that I've played with some of the things, I think that actually the other things I was trying to fool with, that's for a smartphone. So I think this, I'm so scared. I think it's supposed to, this does not seem stable. This is gonna fall. Something seems wrong. All right guys, I figured it out. I had to really set the head of the ring light on here the right way in order to get it to be stable. So this is the cord. I probably shouldn't have scissors in the middle of the floor. All right, so what we're gonna do now is plug this in like so. Wham, you can't see me. But we plugged this in like this. It went in there. This is gonna go on the wall, and this is going to connect here. All right, so let's connect this one. We're connecting here. Okay, cool. Has a specific way that it fits in. And then we're plugging it into the wall. Now, let's turn it on. What's up? Oh, bright. Okay, that's me. Okay, this is cool. So the thing about what it comes with these as well, so that I can switch them out and it'll be less harsh. So I'm gonna show you guys what that looks like. And then I'm gonna put this around my camera so that you can see the lighting on my face. So one sec. Yeah. So I feel like adding a mixture will give it a nice color, but then let me turn it down while I talk to you guys. But will also like not, yeah, I don't know what it does. To be honest, I'm not gonna try to sound like a pro, but I just feel like this is a better balance than all orange. I'll also try the all white eventually, but not right now. I just think this is a good balance. But warning, protect your eyes. I'm gonna show you what it looks like all the way turned up. All the way turned up, all the way turned up, all the way turned down, all the way turned down and off. Great. So that's what it looks like. I'm going to move it now and put my camera in the middle so that you can see what kind of magic will do for my lighting situation. So give me a second to get this set up. Oh, I look amazing. What? This is all the way up. This is down. Oh yes, cool effects. This is just my apartment lighting. But up, up, up and away. Come on somebody. Y'all don't know when to shout. We got some good light. We got some good light. Hey, hey, we got some good light. Hey. No, but I'm in love. I don't know why I didn't buy this earlier. Okay. Yes. So I don't know, is the bright too harsh? I'm gonna have to look back at the phone because I can't see how harsh the bright is. But like, that is probably good. Again, my makeup isn't fresh. I just got done a show, so I'm a sweaty mess, but I had to open this box up, so. What's up? Oh, what's up? Hey, what's up? Okay. All right, guys, so that was, I can turn this down just a little bit. I don't have to be so dramatic. But that was the unboxing of the Neewer ring light. I'm really excited about this carrying case because this is going to be able to come with me if I have a shoot or want to do a shoot on my own or something. Also, it comes with accessories like I mentioned. Everything is a mess. It's fine. Just like my life. These are iPhone or cell phone period accessories where you can put your phone on top of this to take pictures, which is nice. So you have those two. I'm not 100% confident what this is, but this looks like an international like plug. Like if you go out of the country and need your ring light, like this is something you'll be able to plug in there. Don't really know, but it seems like that's the right answer. So on a scale of 1 to 10, I don't think it was that hard to put together. I mean, I did have to stop for a couple of minutes to get my bearings and to put things the right way. But honestly, it's 8:17. I probably started doing this like 7:35-ish. So it didn't take me that long. And it honestly took me that long just because I was trying to get the camera angle for you guys. If I wasn't recording this, it probably would have taken me like 15 minutes. And I am definitely not a person that is super like unboxing, need to assemble something savvy. Like I get so stressed out if I get something from IKEA and I'm like, first of all, there are 14,000 instructions that are not specific enough for me, and I gotta put this thing together. Bye, no. So this was actually relatively easy. I love the different filters, the orange and the white filter, because I think that can give me interesting balances. I'm gonna be playing with that. You can also do all white, or you can do all orange, or you could do a mixture of the two, like I have one right now. So yeah. Guys, I'm really excited. I actually think that when I do, when I do it the next time, I'm gonna use this balance of 2 white, 2 orange, but I'm gonna switch it. So the 2 orange are basically here, and the white are here. I think I'm gonna put the white here and the orange there. I don't know, we'll see. We got something to play with. We got something to play with. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. By the way, did I tell you I'm Kaisha? Yeah, follow me on Instagram at Kaisha Creates.